Here is a direct practice to lead you clearly to the truth of who you are. Ask yourself right now while you're watching this video, what is it that is aware of watching this video? Pause. And then what is it that is aware of seeing this video? What is it that's aware of hearing this video? What is it that is aware of this experience and has never, ever changed? This awareness has been with me through all of my waking life and through my nighttime dream life. What is this that has always been aware? And these probes will lead you away from the focus on the phenomena and back to the truth of what you are. I hope this helps. Namaste.